Would you like to build or advance your career in one of the fastest growing cloud platform? Then do check out this video. I'm going to share you the tips and tricks of how to get started, understand whether this is for you or not, and then have a journey right from associate till the specialist of getting a training from the best source available and get free certifications worth more than $1,000. So do check out this particular thing. Oracle Cloud is one of the fastest growing cloud platform, and you can see this as Oracle Cloud Infrastructure. I would also refer this as OCI going forward. OCI is a next generation cloud infrastructure which is scalable, secure, and highly available with a greater performance for the business. What it means for you that you can get the free tips of how to get started, get in training and certification associate, professional, and specialist. This cost more than $1,000, but the good news is for the year 2021, thanks to Oracle, they have provided this absolutely free on a first come first serve basis. Let's deep dive and try to quickly understand what this learning path looks like. First and foremost, if you are new to the Oracle Cloud, I would definitely recommend you to start this 2.5 hour of a course to understand what Oracle Cloud portfolio looks like. What is SaaS, what is PaaS, and what is IaaS. If you think PaaS, which is platform as a service, and infrastructure as a service, is of your interest, then go to the step number two, which I will be taking into the next slide. The second thing which you can start with is the foundation. You can learn the basics of Oracle Cloud Infrastructure, which will contain about the bare metal and the processing units and all the other information about this to start with. It will take around 10 hours of time, which includes the certificates for this particular course. The second one in this learning path is about associate how to administer the cloud infrastructure. This is one of the key aspect, and you would be learning the DBA part at this point of time, that how this could be applied for the OCI engagement. This would slightly take more, around 16 hours to complete this particular course along with the certificate. The third one in this learning path is getting professional of that, how you can automate and how you can manage the workloads for different customers in a multi-cloud environment. This would take around 18 to 20 hours to complete this particular course. The fourth one in the list is about operations, how to automate the administrative task, and this is one of the key area which Oracle is focusing upon, which would take around 10 to 12 hours of your time. The last but not the least, autonomous database specialist. This is a game changing database which is upgraded by Oracle from the RDBMS point of view. What you might have learned already, you'll be able to learn how to deploy and administer the autonomous database. Let's quickly try to understand how does this look like in real, and I will show you right now how you can enroll to this particular training and the courses which are available at your disposal. Now I am at oracle.com, and I'm sure that you have created your credentials for Oracle. If not, check out my earlier video to create your personal email ID. I will sign in with the Oracle account to start with. Once you sign in this particular slot, you'll be able to get access to a lot of content from the website. And I will share you what are the ways you can start enrolling to the courses and start your learning journey for the cloud. The first one, which I was referring to, is the Oracle Cloud portfolio. So, under the resources part, you'll be able to see the Oracle Cloud certification, which is a free training course, which you can see underneath that. Now, this contains SaaS, PaaS, as well as infrastructure, but at least I want you to go through this Oracle Cloud, which will have a quicker understanding about the complete portfolio to start with. The second one is about Oracle Cloud Infrastructure, and I will pin this particular link into the description below. You can get this OCI training for December 31 absolutely free. This was the courses which I was referring to. So across these courses, you can start learning and go through the learning path, go to the courses, and then apply for the assessment examination. If you pass, you get this certification, and there are also live sessions which are happening, so you can enroll and try to interact with the Oracle experts. These are the areas of the success story which you can refer with regards to OCI. With that, I would like to wish you all the best and happy learning, and I am hopeful that you will join the cloud community. Thank you.